Imagine. Imagine a yacht that puts the owner's experience first. An 83-meter yacht that provides the perfect distribution of interior and exterior space. A yacht with a near vertical bow, enabling an extended waterline length for better efficiency and more interior space. A yacht with a long, low and sleek design. A pool area spread over 3 deck levels with a stunning waterfall feature and a magnificent bathing terrace. A yacht that offers outstanding wind protection, optimal hydrodynamic performance, and HEESEN's signature technical excellence. A revolutionary design with a private exterior deck running the length of the yacht, thanks to a wheelhouse position below the passenger deck. Imagine Maximus by Clifford Den. Maximus by name. Maximus by nature. HEESEN Yachts, crafted in Holland, home of yacht building.